Hey guys, so it is now time to install the taillights on the Fusion, and I've been getting a good amount of messages asking where to buy them. So I went ahead and put the links in the description box in this video right here, and I also went ahead and my previous video I did the same thing for everything that I bought. So without further ado, let's get the car in the garage. She looks so menacing. Well guys, this is gonna be the last you see of these taillights. I have the taillights in the trunk. So again, this is them. They look really sleek. I think the horizontal brake light's gonna go really well with the actual brake light and the spoiler. We have these larger pieces right here and the smaller pieces right here. Yeah, you can just see the difference in these. These are a lot stealthier, a lot sleeker. And so I'm really excited, really happy that I got these. Again, links in the description below if you want to buy some of these. All right, first thing's pretty easy. You gotta take off these little nuts. There's 2 on each side. I already got those off, and there's 2 more right here. Only thing is, might be a little tight, but not too big a deal. But looking at the back of these, you can see the 2 screws that are basically going to be replaced. And there's just 1 more right here, so it's just 3 screws and the plug. So I'm hoping that it's really that easy. And as long as I can pull the lining back, it's just those 3 screws. You can never have too many pry tools. So it is a little dark, but you can see one of the tabs right here. 2 on the left side, 1 and 2. 1 in the center, that's 3. And then 3 on the right side, 1, 2, and 3. And just with that, you can move the liner around. It's just fabric, so you don't gotta worry about bending it really. And then there's another nut to get off. Just doing that and then unplugging it is basically it. Well, that's it for the passenger side. And there's that one. So yeah, that was actually a lot easier than I thought. I'll admit, I was a little concerned because there's only 1 plug, but there's actually this other one, and I wasn't sure what it did. The bag actually came with this extra cord, and to my understanding, this connects the 2 lights together, the larger portion and the smaller section. This is what makes the lights actually signal sequentially. So let's see if that does it. So I was able to figure out the wiring, and so I'm going to walk you through the install on the right side, and Yvette's going to be the camera guy. I feed the plugs in first, and then align everything. And I will say the most inside screws a little finicky, but tightening it down, it actually comes and fits pretty flush. Let's see if you can handle it.
Oh, it's not that bad. Okay.
Yeah, it's literally just right there.
I got this.
I think she did pretty good. There is a thing that you just start twisting. Eventually it'll come off just like that. And then you have these 10mm bolts that you just start undoing. Once you undo those, you just literally pop it out of place. It's very easy. You want to get food after this?
I'm down. What do you want to get?
I don't know, but something to like celebrate the taillight.
I'm down for like Taco Bell.
Taco Bell?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want to get a bellyache.
You want to get a belly. And if you want to come over here to this side, there's this actual little portion where it kind of sticks in, but it comes off basically on its own. So it's really just these 2 little nuts you want to get, and then you're done. And then it's a matter of unplugging this. You wiggle it around enough, it'll start moving, and there you go.
There we go.
So this is the last tail light, and now I'm gonna clean my hands because new pieces. I want to, do the honors of having clean hands.
Hey, baby. Hello.
All right, so they're just gonna plug in this one to the original factory housing. Pretty easy. Make sure it clicks. And then you're gonna get the additional supplemented wire and plug it to the other opening. And from here, you're gonna take the other end and run it through the route that you want it to go. Just pulling it through. You're gonna feed it through here. So let's see if I can get it through.
There we go.
And there we go. So if you'll do the honors.
The last one.
All right, so you connect this piece first for the actual stock one.
That clicked.
And then that goes to the cable we just ran.
There we go.
There you got that click. All right, and there you go. Okay, here's the first piece. Other than that, that's basically it.
I tried.
You did good. Good job, proud of you.
Let's see. Oh, yep. I think that would look really cool once it closed down.
Basically, you saw the actual sequential factory. That's basically the extra wiring because the stock ones can't do that. So now we can just button everything back up and show you guys what it looks like completely done. All right, guys, we are done, and they look absolutely gorgeous. Give the car such a different look, such a different feel. Here, unlock it. So that's all programmed into the lights themselves.
I'm cold.
All right, guys, we got some sunlight out, and my goodness, does this car look different. I'm trying my best to pick up the dark colors of the car with the white, so it is messing with the camera a little bit, but it just looks so nice. Oh, hey, there's a little spider. And then just to walk you through the functions, that's unlock right there. It's not actually flashing, just LEDs. It has that little buildup on the lights. And it has a little scanner type thing. But it actually said it looks kind of like RoboCop. And when you lock it, you just get a quick little flash and turn, and that's it. That's just so cool. And again, that's basically what the extra wire was for, so that you could get that functionality. And there's a nice little walk around of the car. But yeah, honestly, just night and day with this car. This car is nothing like when I bought it. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe because it really helps support the channel.
And we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.